I'm Bria Comer, and today's topic is estate planning documents. We need to make sure you're looking at all the documents that are important for your retirement plan. Wills, trusts, powers of attorney, living wills, living trusts, and so on. First of all, it's important that your documents match who you've become. If your will lists your children, and your youngest child wasn't even born yet when you created that document, that will is probably too old. So let's start with powers of attorney. It's very important with a 7-figure net worth, with a lot of money tied up in retirement plans, that if you trust your spouse, you tell the world that you trust your spouse by creating a durable power of attorney. Durable means it lasts through an entire incapacitation. You suddenly get in a car accident, and you're out of commission for 6 months with the inability to communicate. Your spouse will need to make withdrawals from certain accounts and transact business. If you trust each other, document that for the world through a durable power of attorney for financial matters. Same thing for healthcare, and sometimes these are called healthcare proxies. But you need to tell the world, I am designating my spouse as my agent for healthcare decisions. Now, that's not to be confused with a living will, which is the DNR, take me off the machines. If you have preferences there, that's a document that you're going to need to have as well. Now, it's important you own everything correctly. The avoidance of probate can be very helpful. A living trust certainly do that. Contracts avoid probate, like IRAs and Roths, 401ks and life insurance. Joint ownership with rights of survivorship also avoids probate. Living trusts are also contracts that create privacy for the things probate would make public. If everything you own is jointly held or held in contract, then typically the wills that you have would simply list your trust as their beneficiary. The wills become something called pour-over wills. It simply says, because we've taken care of everything, we don't really need a will, but just in case we missed anything, it pours over to your trust. To me, that's the essence of a good estate plan. Now, of course, we're not attorneys. At Advice One, we would have you meet with a competent estate planning attorney to get all of this done. But these are the documents I think you need to be thinking about as you head towards your 7-figure net worth in retirement. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this helpful.